Hello students, how are you? I am fine. I hope that all of you are well. Let me introduce myself. I am Yusuf Abdullah Harun, Assistant Teacher English, BM Union School and College. Our today's topic will be transformation part 4. In previous class already I have taken part 1, part 2 and 3. If you don't watch the video, you must have to watch the previous video. After completing the class, I shall provide you the previous video link. You must have to follow it for better understanding. So dear students, let's start. Dear students, already I have given you 3 examples here. So you have to at first find out which one is simple or complex or compound sentence. So dear students, how will you get this? So for that you have to follow a table or structure. I am providing you this table or structure. So follow my example and try to understand what I say. Dear students, I am drawing a table for knowing how will you find out simple or complex or compound sentence. So I have written here the table. This is simple, complex and compound. Simple sentence will be started at first without plus verb ing. Then you have to use extension, comma. Second sentence means subject verb. So if you find at first without plus verb ing, then you have to understood this is simple sentence. And when you will get if plus subject plus do not plus verb 1 extension comma second sentence, that means subject plus verb. I called it second sentence. That means this is principal clause. So you can also eat second sentence. Dear students, you have to always remember second sentence will not changeable because this is principal clause. Already you know that there are 2 types of sentence in this in this example. Number 1, without making hurry, this is dependent clause. That means it is called subordinate clause, and you will miss the class. This is principal clause and it is called independent clause. So dear students, second sentence means principal clause, second sentence means principal clause, and compound sentence will be started verb 1, and at the middle part you have to use or otherwise. You can write any one, it's up to you which one will you write. Then you have to write second sentence, subject verb. So dear students, you have to memorize this structure or this table. If you memorize this table or mind it deeply, then you will be able to find out sentence. So dear students, number 1, follow number 1 without making. So it has been started without verb ing. So you can say that this is simple sentence. Now if you change it complex sentence, how will you write it? Complex sentence, that means you have to follow at first if subject do not plus verb 1. That means this structure you have to follow. So I am following this structure. At first I have written here if, that means I have to write subject you, if you. Dear students, where will I get you? I have to follow second sentence. If you don't find any subject in the first sentence, you have to follow second sentence. So this is second sentence. From here I have gotten subject if you, that means I have to use don't. If you don't, that means you have to write verb 1. If you do not or don't make hurry, comma second sentence is not changeable. Already I have told you, you will miss the class, So dear students, I hope that you have understood how have I changed complex sentence. Only I have followed these tables. So dear students, you can write complex sentence another way. You have to follow this structure. At first you have to write unless. If you write unless, you don't need to write if. Or mind it deeply. Unless, then you have to write subject you. Oh dear students, you have to mind it another topic. When you write unless, you don't read if and you don't read do not if you use unless. So mind it deeply. Unless, then I have written here subject, then I have to write verb unless make hurry. So from first sentence I have written here unless make hurry, comma, second sentence, you will miss the class. You will miss the class. So dear students, I am sure already you have understood. If you want to change compound sentence, how will you do it? You have to follow at first verb 1, because compound sentence will be started with verb 1. So I have to write verb make hurry. Dear students, follow it. I have written it small letter, so you cannot write at first small letter. You have to write capital letter. Make hurry, or you have to use or अथवा otherwise, because this is the symbol of compound sentence. Make hurry or otherwise, second sentence, you will miss the class. You will miss the class. So dear students, I am sure already you have understood how will you change simple complex compound according to follow this table. So dear students, now I am trying to solve number 2. Now I am writing the board. If I want to write number 2, this is simple sentence. If I want to write number 2 complex sentence, at first I have to write if, then I have to write subject you. From where will I get you? Second sentence. If you don't find at the first part or first sentence, you don't get subject, you have to follow second sentence. From second sentence you will get subject. So from second sentence I have collect subject if you. Then I have to write do not. If you do not, then I have to use verb. Work hard. You have to mind it deeply. After without, you will get verb. So working is verb. I have to use it present form. So I have used here present form. If you do not work hard, comma, second sentence, you cannot demand a handsome salary. Or you can change it another way. This is alternative. You can write unless. Mind it, if you write unless, you don't need to write if and do not. You have to avoid it. So unless subject you work hard, comma, second sentence. Dear students, second sentence is not changeable. Already I have told you, because second sentence is principal clause. Principal clause is not changeable, but subordinate clause is changeable. So this first sentence is subordinate clause, so I have changed it. You cannot demand a handsome salary. So dear students, I hope already you have realized it. Now I am doing compound sentence. If I want to change question number 2 compound sentence, first I have to write verb, work hard, and I have to write or otherwise. You can write any one, it's up to you. Work hard or otherwise. Second sentence, you cannot demand a handsome salary. So dear students, I am oversure already you have understood. So dear students, number 3, it will be your homework. You will try to solve it. Now I am discussing next part. Dear students, already I have given you 3 examples, number 1, number 2 and number 3. All of them are compound sentence because it has been started verb. If you find at first verb and at the middle part you will get or otherwise, this is compound sentence. So how will you change simple? So you have to follow this table. Already I have provided you a table. You have to follow this structure. So according this structure, if I want to change simple sentence, at first I have to write without, then I have to add verb ing, that means move is verb, so I have to write it moving, because after without I have to write moving, verb ing. So I have written here without moving, and I have to omit or, and I have to use here comma, because or is a symbol of compound sentence. So I am doing simple sentence, so I can take it, so I can keep it. I have to use comma, then I have to write second sentence, you will die. So dear students, you have understood how have I changed simple sentence. If you want to complex sentence, complex, then you can write at first if, then you have to write subject you, then you have to write do not. If you do not, then you have to write verb. If you do not move, comma, দ্বিতীয় sentence, you will die. So dear students, you can write it another way. This is alternative example. Unless you move, second sentence, you will die. Dear students, when you will write unless, you do not write if, and you do not write do not. So in this sentence I don't write if and do not because I have used unless. So this is also correct, and this sentence is also correct. You can use any one. If you change it complex sentence, you have to follow any one method. Now I am trying to solve number 2. Keep a good company, otherwise you will be ruined. Already you know that this is compound sentence. If you want to change simple sentence, you have to write at first without, then you have to write verb, and you have to add ing, without keeping, because without is one kind of preposition. After preposition you have to, if you use any verb, you have to do it verb ing. So already I have done it. Without keeping a good company, comma, second sentence, because I cannot write otherwise, because otherwise is a symbol of compound sentence, so I cannot use it. You will be ruined. Sorry. So dear students, if I change it complex sentence, how will I do that? I have to write at first if, or you can write unless. It's up to you which one is will you use. At first I have to write if, then I have to write if you keep a good company, comma, Second sentence, you will be ruined. So dear students, if you want, you can change it by using unless you keep a good company, you will be ruined. Dear students, there is a mistake. If you do not, you have to write here if you do not, because when you will write complex sentence you have to use do not. So I have done a little mistake. So dear students, number 3 will be your home task. Now I am discussing next part. So dear students, follow here. Already I have given you 3 structure. If you do not move, you will fail in great danger. This is complex sentence. If you want to change simple sentence, at first you have to write without. Without moving, comma, second sentence will not change. Second sentence will not be changed because it is principal clause. You will fall in great danger. So this is simple sentence. If you want to change compound sentence, then what will be? We know that compound sentence will be start at first verb 1. That means there is verb move and you have to write compound symbol or otherwise move or otherwise you will fall in great danger. So dear students, I hope that already you have realized how we do change simple and compound sentence. Again I say you, if you want to change simple complex compound, you have to follow the previous table. Now I am doing number 2. If you do not avoid him, you will be punished. This is complex sentence. If you want to change simple sentence, at first you have to write without, then you have to write verb ing, that means avoiding. So without avoiding him, comma, second sentence. And when will you change it compound sentence, then you have to write at first verb 1, that means present form. Avoid him, and you have to write symbol or otherwise. You can write any one, it's up to you. Avoid him or otherwise you will be punished. So dear students, I am oversure that already you have understood how will you change simple, complex and compound sentence according this structure. And number 3, it will be your homework. I am providing you some homework. There are 8 sentences. You have to try to solve it. So dear students, thank you.